This is an Alyogyne hakeifolia. Alyogyne or Alyogyne. It's a native Australian plant. It used to be classified as an hibiscus, but it's not anymore. It's in its own category now, Alyogyne. Very pretty. Look at it. Isn't it lovely in there? And it's got a very hibiscusy look about it if you look at it sideways. Very pretty. Quite drought resistant. It doesn't like wet, boggy conditions. Very hibiscusy to look at. The buds are attractive too. Look at this bud before it opens, just here. Isn't it pretty? Looks just like a hibiscus, yes. Isn't it lovely? Little native Australian hibiscus anyway. And they come in more than one shade too. They come in pinks and mauves. Oh, well, let's have a look in the middle of you. Can we see? No, you're not going to focus, are you? Very pretty. And hakeifolia presumably means that the leaves are like hakea leaves, whether they are or not. Does it look like a hakea leaf to you? This flower's a little bit older, this one. Listen to that goat. This flower's a little bit older, a day older. Isn't it so delicate and beautiful? So delicate looking. There it is with the sunlight through it, isn't it lovely? Isn't it gorgeous? Nice pink, nice mauve. Nice afternoon as well. It could be made out of angel's wings. Or dragonfly's wings. What is it? Alyogyne hakeifolia. Very beautiful. I must get more.